functions for each firm and then solve for the quantities where these reaction functions intersect. Given inverse demand function P equals 100 minus Q. Marginal cost for both firms MC equals 10, where Q equals Q_1 plus Q_2, total quantity produced by firm 1 and firm 2. Step 1. Set up the profit function for firm 1. Firm 1's profit pi_1 is given by total revenue TR_1, total cost TC_1. TR_1 equals P times Q_1 equals 100 minus Q, Q_1 equals 100 minus Q_1 minus Q_2, Q_1 equals 100 Q_1 minus Q_1 to the power of 2 minus Q_1 Q_2. Since MC is constant at 10, the total cost for firm 1 is TC_1 equals MC times Q_1 equals 10 Q_1. Pi_1 equals TR_1 minus TC_1 equals 100 Q_1 minus Q_1 to the power of 2 minus Q_1 Q_2 minus 10 Q_1 pi_1 equals 90 Q_1 minus Q_1 to the power of 2 minus Q_1 Q_2. Step 2. Find firm 1's reaction function. To maximize profit, firm 1 will set the derivative of its profit function with respect to Q_1 equal to 0, assuming Q_2 is constant. Frag d pi_1 dQ_1 equals 90 minus 2 Q_1 minus Q_2 equals 0. Solving for Q_1, 2 Q_1 equals 90 minus Q_2 Q_1 equals 45 minus frag 1 2 Q_2. This is firm 1's reaction function. Step 3. Set up the profit function for firm 2. Due to symmetry, same demand function and same marginal cost, firm 2's profit function will be analogous. Pi_2 equals P times Q_2 minus MC times Q_2 equals 100 minus Q, Q_2 minus 10 Q_2 pi_2 equals 100 minus Q_1 minus Q_2, Q_2 minus 10 Q_2 pi_2 equals 90 Q_2 minus Q_1 Q_2 minus Q_2 squared. Step 4. Find firm 2's reaction function. To maximize profit, firm 2 will set the derivative of its profit function with respect to Q_2 equal to 0, assuming Q_1 is constant. Frag d pi_2 dQ_2 equals 90 minus Q_1 minus 2 Q_2 equals 0. Solving for Q_2, 2 Q_2 equals 90 minus Q_1 Q_2 equals 45 minus frag 1 2 Q_1. This is firm 2's reaction function. Step 5. Solve for the Nash equilibrium quantities. The Nash equilibrium occurs where both firms' reaction functions intersect. We have a system of two equations. 1. Q_1 equals 45 minus frag 1 2 Q_2. 2. Q_2 equals 45 minus frag 1 2 Q_1. Substitute equation 2 into equation 1. Q_1 equals 45 minus frag 1 2, 45 minus frag 1 2 Q_1. Q_1 equals 45 minus 22.5 plus frag 1 4 Q_1 minus frag 1 4 Q_1 equals 22.5 frag 3 4 Q_1 equals 22.5 Q_1 equals 22.5 times frag 4 3 Q_1 equals 30. Now substitute Q_1 equals 30 back into firm 2's reaction function to find Q_2. Q_2 equals 45 minus frag 1 2, 30, Q_2 equals 45 minus 15 Q_2 equals 30. So, the Nash equilibrium quantities are Q_1 equals 30 and Q_2 equals 30. Step 6. Calculate the total quantity and market price. Total quantity Q equals Q_1 plus Q_2 equals 30 plus 30 equals 60. Market price P equals 100 minus Q equals 100 minus 60 equals 40. Summary of the Nash equilibrium, NE. Firm 1's output, Q_1, 30 units. Firm 2's output, Q_2, 30 units. Total industry output, Q, 60 units. Market price, P, 40.